I think there's more of an awareness that when you flush the toilet, it goes to a sewage treatment plant.
The coastal treatment plants can always pump it to sea and dilute it. We don't have that luxury.
We're people who are passionate about the sustainability of Canberra and the Canberra region.
When I started, the joke was, the solution to pollution is dilution. So now we're not just diluting it, mixing it up to make the concentrations less, we're actually trying to remove the pollutants to make things better.
We make sure we minimise ACTU's impacts on the environment, put in controls and measures to help have a good impact for both the environment and the community. So that's things like making sure that the chlorine that's in our water when it's released to the environment doesn't harm our aquatic organisms, making sure that our environmental flows that we release from our dams are appropriate and meet our licence conditions. Also looking at our excavated material that we do from our dig-ups of our sewer jobs and our water jobs, making sure that we reuse that material on site where we can.
We want to keep the health of the stream. So we've got platypuses downstream we want to keep alive.
Looking after the protected matters, the pink-tailed worm lizard that's on site, also Aboriginal artefacts, which are both protected. And then at a greater level, we are dealing with all the sewage that is received from the Canberra catchment.
We are part of a larger system, the Murray-Darling Basin system. So basically what we're discharging goes firstly into the Molonglo River, which shortly joins the Murrumbidgee River, which then ends up into the Murray River, which goes to Adelaide.
We don't have the luxury, like some coastal areas, of being able to discharge a certain proportion to the ocean. We have direct users who are relying on us to do the right thing.
It's quite a feat that we're achieving, especially considering that the plant's that old and it was designed in an era where environmental releases weren't as stringent as what they are now.
We're a utility, so we provide a service in terms of clean water and we take away people's sewage. So we need people who are practical. That's the outcome. We just need to minimise our impact on the environment in doing that.
You come to work and you've got different challenges, different things to work on. So it's interesting. And I've spoken to guys who've been here for 15, 20 years and they're saying they're still learning to this day.
I guess it's a sense of pride in I'm part of a team that is providing an essential service to the people of Canberra.